Hello. Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. And if you like any of those things, please make sure you subscribe. Go ahead, I'll wait for you. Hit that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell. Once you've done that, I'll keep going. Did you finish? Are you finished? All right, so if you're finished, promise? If you are finished, we will proceed. I upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes, especially this month, I have been uploading additional days. Now, today is a Tuesday, September the 21st. I'm gonna edit this video. Yesterday was my birthday. Yay. So I did not film any content. So normally I would film and then you would have it already by like 10 a.m. But since I didn't, I'm gonna give you a little mini haul. So as I stated, it was my birthday yesterday, and so I did pick up a couple of things for my birthday. From me to me. Yes, for my birthday. You get exactly what you want when you buy it. Without further ado, let's get into this mini luxury haul, my birthday item that I picked up. No, I just didn't pick up this item. I picked up a couple of other items that I'm looking at right now, but we're gonna do this one. We're gonna get it out the way, and then we'll get to the other items maybe tomorrow or maybe Thursday. I don't know, because right now I'm heading out to one of my friend's birthday lunches. Okay, I'm rambling. I am rambling. I'll pop up a picture right here of what I wore last night. Rambling again. Okay, so mini birthday luxury unboxing from Fendi. I did it. I did that. We got to go through the little story. So I went to the Beverly Center, and while I was at the Beverly Center, I asked at Bloomingdale's, did they have a Fendi store? And they said, oh, I think so. I'm not for sure. All the luxury stores are one floor above us. And I was like, oh, okay. So I passed by Prada. I passed by, I don't know, Louis Vuitton, I think. I don't know what I passed by. I passed by a lot of stores. And then I seen Fendi. I was like, It had a little line. I was like, do I want to wait? I was like, why not? I waited in line, and it wasn't a long wait. And then I asked the gentleman, once I got in, I was like, so do you have this little bag in black and gold? And he looked at me like, and I pointed to the bag, but actually I was pointing to the bag. I wasn't pointing to what I was referring to. Long story short, this location did not have what I was looking for. I paid for it at the Beverly Center, and then they sent me to Rodeo Drive. Yes, Rodeo Drive, baby. So I picked up this item at the Rodeo Drive location, and let's see what I picked up, okay? So here is the nice Fendi ribbon. It's soft to the touch. Here is the damage. We'll get into that, I will not forget. Inside is this Fendi box, and of course, the item that I purchased is inside. This will be my first mini luxury unboxing from the house of Fendi, I think. I really do believe it. I really do believe it. I really do believe that it is. So this is the box. It is like a yellow gold tone color with the black letters that are sleek. They're not too fat, they're not too skinny, they're in between. And then it says Roma, so it's Fendi Roma. And then in the inside is this bag, this little dust bag that says Fendi Aroma. Yes, and it has like a the drawstring looks to be leather to me. Well, all right. I've never unboxed anything, so I didn't know how the drawstring looks. So yeah, the drawstring is leather. Cowhide, it's leather. Inside, look at it. It's shiny. I am attracted to all things shiny. Oh my goodness. It's black and it's gold. My favorite color. Well, no, it's not my favorite color, but I love me some gold, and this is great. So I don't even know. I don't know how to open it. All I know is it comes with a beautiful silky chain that is just, it feels like silk to the touch. So I'm like, oh, I love the chain. I love the chain. So let's see how you open this little bad boy. In the back, we have a little hook so you can attach it to your purse. You can attach it to your belt loop. You can attach it to your pant loops. You can attach this, yes, to whatever you want to attach it to. There is a snap closure right here, and you just unsnap it to lift it off. And then you pull away that little sheet, and then that little filling, and then this beautiful, gorgeous chain. Oh my goodness. This chain is detachable. So it has a lobster claw clasp. Let me see if I can get it. Okay, so just like that, you add the chain so you can add it or take it off. Now inside, I believe it's large enough for a lipstick and a credit card, or maybe a lipstick and 2 credit cards. This right here, yes, this is the Nano Baguette. Let me flash it on the screen for you. You can hook this on to your purse or your belt loop or your jean loop. Oh my goodness, it has a little leather tab in the back. It is gorgeous with the little Fendi logo in the front. This is right in front of the snap. But the chain, oh my goodness. Ugh. It's like meat thrill. Oh, it just feels so fine and buttery. The description on the Fendi receipt says charm miniature synthetic resin. And the price is $1,290. I was in Beverly Hills. Their sales tax is 9.5%. Yikes. Which is a grand total of $1,412.55. I don't think that was bad. I don't think that was bad at all. Not at all. So that is my mini luxury unboxing of the Nano Baguette. It is beautiful. What do you think? Comment below. Comment below and let me know. What do you think? Oh, I love this chain. Look at it. Look at it. It is my first unboxing for my birthday, a present that I bought from me to me, because that's the way you get what exactly you want. Is you buy it, you pick it out, and there's no, oh, we need to take it back. No. Make sure, if you have not done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. My name is Carmen, and I hope to see you, yes, you, And you too in my next video. Bye-bye.